Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. Word bank. A. Fossil fuels. B. Fossil. C. Conservation. D. Petroleum. Number 1. The remains or traces of an organism that lived long ago. Number 2. The careful use and protection of natural resources. Number 3. Fuels formed in the earth from plant or animal remains. Number 4. A type of natural oil that can be refined to make gasoline. Word bank. D. Sedimentary rock. E. Cementation. F. Compaction. Number 5. The process by which sediments are pressed together under their own weight. Number 6. The minerals form a sort of glue that sticks the pieces of rock together. Number 7. Rocks that form when sediments are pressed and cemented together over time. Number 8. Using the figure to the right, what layer would be the oldest layer of soil? A. Layer A. B. Layer C. C. Layer D. Number 9. Fossil fuels form in sedimentary rocks when A. Plants use the nutrients in sediments to grow. B. Organic matter is buried along with the sediments. C. Rivers carry sediments down mountainsides. Number 10. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Fossil fuels originated from A. Buried dead organisms changed by heat and pressure. B. Heat preserved within Earth's crust. C. Decayed rocks from within Earth's crust. Number 11. A team of scientists are studying the fossils in the cross-section of rock shown below. In which layers of rock are the oldest leaf and fish fossils found? A. Layers 1 and 3. B. Layers 2 and 4. C. Layers 6 and 7. Number 12. A scientist found a fossil of an organism that had gills. When the organism was living, the area in which it lived was most likely covered by A. Forest. B. Grassland. C. Water. Number 13. Why are most fossils found in sedimentary rocks? A. Sedimentary rocks are not very old. B. Organisms live only in areas with sedimentary rock. C. Organisms can be preserved or conserved in sedimentary rock. Number 14. The diagram below shows a sequence of the processes that turn solid rock into sandstone. Which two processes best complete this diagram? Solid rock, weathering, erosion, and deposition, beach sand, sandstone. A. Melting and cooling. B. Evaporation and dissolving. C. Compaction and cementation. Directions. Place an F next to fossil fuels and an N next to the ones that are not fossil fuels. Number 15, coal. Number 16, natural gas. Number 17, oil.